Hi guys, it's your boy Vapid Square Tech, and today we're going to be unboxing the Galaxy Watch 4 Active, or is it not called Active anymore? I'm not too sure. So as you can see, Galaxy Watch 4 is in quite rubbish packaging actually compared to Apple stuff. Anyway, so it says Galaxy Watch 4 Bluetooth Wi-Fi GPS 40mm. So I believe the regular one is 44. Don't count me on that. Obviously, it's a circular watch, completely different to an Apple Watch. So I'm not 100%. But I don't know if the Galaxy Watch 4, the regular Galaxy Watch 4, comes in separate sizes. Neither do I know if the big one, which I think is called a Classic or whatever. I should have done my research really. Anyway, it also came with this pretty snazzy extreme sports band. So it'll be interesting to see if this colour you're seeing here is the band that we get. Oh, nice. There's the watch there. It comes with cleaning cloths. Cool. Just sort of open this. Oh, this might be the charger. I'm not 100% sure. Oh yes it is. I was thinking of getting the charger duo, which I'll put on screen now. However, we'll see how we get along with this. So you're potentially telling me that this watch does not come with a wristband. This new technique for autofocus is not working that well. Cool. Right, I just don't want to break it. Bit disappointing actually, so let's just put that back. Fits like a glove. So that's all that put away. We can now put it back in there, hopefully, fingers crossed. Yeah, cool. Right, well, that's mildly disappointing that it doesn't come with a wristband. I feel like it should have been there. Oh well. I mean, yeah, probably. Yeah, have a look at that. It looks alright. I mean, quite non-offensive, innit? But I'm gonna prefer the one with the dial, as I do like the crown on the Apple Watch. Let's see if it gets back into focus. Eventually. Just disappointed with my camera, really. Right, let me charge this. Let me have a little play with it. See how things go. Before I go real quick, I'm gonna manual focus it so it stays in focus. But if I just, even though there's a bubble there, if I just get a quick. Isn't that fucking lovely? Just gonna put that there. And I guess whilst this it's charging, I guess we can do a cheeky unboxing of this then, shall we? Right, I don't want to break it all. Disappointing. Oh, it's on both sides. Is it? Yeah, it is. Right, that is not great. Oh, you know what? I might just fucking mince this. Yeah, that wasn't all getting the bin. Yeah. Right. Is a good way of pulling this out, you know? Or maybe you did it from the bottom. It just won't, just not easy at all. Right, and then there's the pulley bit, right. And here we go. Lovely quality, I love the feel of them. And they actually look alright, but nah, the quality is actually really alright. I'm happy with that. However, they definitely are intimidating, not intimidating, imitating Apple, aren't they? Let's be real, guys. Come on, play the game. Things are hopeful, chaps. Load this quickly. I like the size of it. I think it's going to be a good fit on my wrist compared to if we quickly do a size comparison there. Might be a little bit big, but we'll see. I do prefer smaller watches. So it's in select language. Right, I'm going to do all of this and then we're going to come back. Yeah, so if you go like that, it acts like a digital crown. Sort of like it's not there. A virtual not crown, dial, as it were. Set that down there. Let's get the older. Oh look, funnily enough, it does exactly what it does on Apple devices. Connect. So now it's just downloading software apparently. Cool, right. Yeah, ignore that, that's just a screen protector. Can't even fit the whole fucking phone. Yep. Agree. I was just getting my watch ready. It might be a while, so I'm gonna have a cup of tea and then we're gonna come back. Oh, it's going a bit fast. Faster than I thought it would. So getting Google info. Oh, naughty. I believe this is connected with the Samsung Smart Things, which I think is neither here nor there. Obviously you can't steal my pin, so now it's copying my accounts. Used on your other devices, recommended for watches. Well, I mean, what are these apps? What are these apps? Oh yeah, I'm gonna need that. Cycling and walking maps. Fitness Pal, Fitbod, cardiogram. Shouldn't these all just be connected with the watch? Interesting. Continue. Restore your watch from backup. If you've backed up a watch, try restoring for easier setup. So that's just finishing up. Again, the Smart Things logo. Don't know why they've sort of connected the smart watch with the Smart Things. Don't know what significance that's going to have. Familiar yourself with the watch, tips and user manual. So maybe the user manual is online and it's on the phone, because obviously that wasn't a great manual, was it, that we saw earlier? It was a bit shit, as it were, and I'm all set, yay! So I'm gonna have a little bit of a fiddle with this for a week, and then I'm gonna come back to you, whether that be later on in the vid or in a different video, we shall see. However, it's showing us the watch face, and it's fairly similar to what Apple's offering has, if it will nah, battery 64. It was already on around 66% when I plugged it, so I just thought we'd do it straight away. But yeah, I'm gonna have a little bit of a play with it, and I'll get back to you. Thank you guys for watching. Take care and have yourselves a damn good one. Again, out of focus. Bloody theme on this fucking channel.